Welcome to the shed, Needabiggershed. Project959 update. The news everybody's been asking for. When will pre-sales go live? This Tuesday, the 30th of January at 8 p.m. my time. That's Belgian time, Central European time. The page for the pre-orders will go live. The kit price, total kit price, is €695. That's everything you've seen, and there'll be more in it, of course. And to secure your 1 of 100 units, I do require a €250 deposit, and 50 units need to be sold, and then I start production and start ordering the components that I need, and everybody will be personally updated with progress, what's going on. You'll be kept in the loop all the way. Thank you so much for your support and continued support. I'm loving this project. I'm loving the support messages I'm getting. And I'm off now to refine some details. The 3-part wheel construction just needs a little bit of a tinker, a bit of a fiddle. Yeah, that's what I do, I'm afraid. And everything's ready. So enjoy. Thanks for the support once again, and I'll see you online. Bye bye.